I've been running through the noise again, drowning in a world that won't slow down. Even silence feels too loud sometimes, and I forget the way to holy ground. But then I hear you in the stillness, a whisper cutting through the storm. You don't ask me to be stronger, you just hold me as I am torn. Breathe me back to peace, Lord, let your mercy wash me clean. I don't need the answers, just the